Describe your brother or sister. Hey, Emily. How's it going? I wanted to talk to you about my brother. He's really unique and quite an interesting person. I'd love to tell you more about him.
Hi, Mark. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to hear about your brother. Could you describe him for me?
Sure. My brother's name is Michael. He's the eldest in our family, so he's always been like a role model for me. He's tall and has short brown hair. He's got these amazing blue eyes that everyone compliments him on.
Oh, he sounds really attractive. What kind of personality does he have?
Personality, wise. He's very outgoing and friendly. He's the life of the party, always cracking jokes and making people laugh. He's also really caring and supportive. Whenever I need advice or help, he's there for me.
That's wonderful to have such a supportive brother. What are his hobbies and interests?
Well, he's a sports enthusiast. He loves playing basketball and soccer. He's always on some kind of team and enjoys competing. Apart from sports, he's also a talented musician. He plays the guitar and sings beautifully. Sometimes we have jam sessions together.
That's impressive. It seems like he's multi-talented. How is he academically?
He's quite smart academically. He's always been a diligent student, and he graduated from college with honors. Currently, he's pursuing a career in engineering. He's passionate about technology and loves to stay updated with the latest gadgets and innovations.
That's amazing. It sounds like he has a bright future ahead. Do you two get along well?
Absolutely. We have a great bond. We share a lot of common interests and spend a lot of time together. We often go hiking or have movie nights with our friends. He's not just a brother, but also a best friend to me.
That's so nice to hear. How's he interact with other family members?
He's really close to our parents, especially our mom. He respects them a lot and always helps around the house. He's the kind of person who can bring our whole family together. During family gatherings, he organizes fun activities and makes sure everyone feels included.
He sounds like an incredible brother and a great person overall. I'd love to meet him someday.
You definitely should. He's always excited to meet new people and make new friends. I'm sure you two would get along really well.
Thank you for telling me about your brother, Mark. It was really interesting to hear about him.
You're welcome, Emily. I'm glad you enjoyed hearing about him. If you ever want to share more about your sister, I'd be happy to listen too.
Sure, Mark. I'd love to share stories about my sister sometime. Let's catch up soon.
Sounds like a plan. Take care, Emily. See you soon.
Take care too, Mark. See you soon.
Are you married? Hi, Sarah. How are you doing today?
Hi, John. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks. By the way, I've been meaning to ask. Are you married?
No, I'm not married. What about you?
I'm not married either. So, do you have any plans for marriage in the future?
Well, I haven't really thought about it much. Marriage is a big commitment, and I want to make sure I'm ready for it. What about you, John?
I agree, Sarah. Marriage is indeed a big step. I believe in taking the time to find the right person and being prepared for it. Right now, I'm focused on my career and personal growth.
That's a good approach, John. It's important to prioritize personal goals and aspirations before making such a significant commitment. Have you ever been in a serious relationship before?
Yes, I have. I was in a long-term relationship a few years ago, but things didn't work out in the end. It taught me a lot about myself and what I'm looking for in a partner. How about you, Sarah?
I've had a couple of relationships, but nothing too serious. I believe relationships teach us valuable lessons about ourselves and help us grow. It's all part of the journey to finding the right person, I suppose.
Absolutely, Sarah. Each relationship we have provides us with new insights and experiences, ultimately shaping us into better individuals. So, what qualities do you look for in a potential life partner?
Well, John, I think trust and communication are vital in any relationship. I also value someone who shares similar interests and values. It's important to have a deep connection and be able to support each other through thick and thin. What about you?
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. Trust, communication, and shared values are essential. Additionally, I believe in finding someone who is supportive, understanding, and has a good sense of humor. It's important to have a strong foundation of friendship as well.
Absolutely, John. Friendship is the basis of a lasting relationship. It's wonderful when you can be friends with your partner and enjoy each other's company. So, how do you think marriage can change a person's life?
Marriage is a significant life event, Sarah. It brings about new responsibilities and commitments. It's a partnership where two individuals support and grow with each other. It can provide stability, companionship, and the joy of building a life together. However, it's also important to remember that marriage isn't the only path to happiness and fulfillment.
You're right, John. Marriage is a personal choice, and not everyone needs to follow that path. Happiness can be found in various ways, whether it's through a committed relationship or pursuing individual goals. It's important to respect different choices and paths in life.
Absolutely, Sarah. It's essential to embrace diversity and understand that everyone has their own unique journey. Well, this has been a great conversation. Thanks for sharing your thoughts on marriage.
You're welcome, John. It was a pleasure discussing this topic with you. If you have any more questions or want to talk about something else, feel free to ask.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll keep that in mind. Let's catch up again soon. Have a wonderful day.
You too, John. Take care and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah. What does your mom do? Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. By the way, what does your mum do?
Oh, my mom is a teacher. She teaches English at a local school. What about your mom?
That's great. My mom is a nurse. She works at the hospital and takes care of patients.
Wow, being a nurse is a challenging job. I admire your mom's dedication.
Thank you, Emily. She loves helping people and making a difference in their lives.
I can understand that. Teaching is also a rewarding profession. My mom enjoys seeing her students learn and grow.
That's wonderful. How long has your mom been teaching?
She has been teaching for about 15 years now. She started as an assistant teacher and gradually became a full-time teacher.
Impressive. Your mom must have a lot of experience and knowledge.
Yes, she does. She's always learning new teaching methods and attending workshops to improve her skills.
It's great to have such dedicated professionals in our lives. Does your mom enjoy her job?
Absolutely. She finds joy in seeing her students succeed and become confident in their English skills.
That's amazing. I'm sure she has made a positive impact on many students' lives.
Definitely. Many of her former students have gone on to pursue higher education or work in English-related fields.
It's inspiring to hear about the influence teachers can have on their students' futures.
Yes, teachers play a crucial role in shaping young minds and guiding them towards a bright future.
I completely agree. So, apart from being a teacher, what else does your mom enjoy doing?
In her free time, my mom loves reading books and spending time with our family. She also enjoys gardening and taking care of plants.
That sounds lovely. It's important to have hobbies and activities that bring joy and relaxation.
Absolutely, Tom. It helps her recharge and find balance in her life.
I can relate. My mom also likes gardening and reading when she's not working at the hospital.
It seems like our moms have some common interests. Maybe they should meet someday.
That's a great idea. I'm sure they would have a lot to talk about.
Definitely. It would be nice to see them bond over their shared passions.
Well, Emily, it was great talking to you about our moms. They both have such important and fulfilling jobs.
Yes, they do. Thanks for sharing about your mom, Tom. It was interesting to learn more about her.
You're welcome, Emily. It was a pleasure discussing this topic with you. You too, Emily. Bye.
Let's catch up again soon.
Sounds good, Tom. Take care and have a wonderful day.
You too, Emily. Bye.
Goodbye, Tom.